Good afternoon, everyone. The following presentation is going to be done by Harnoor Hema Sukhpreet, and it's about mood disorders, depression, and bipolar. So what is bipolar? Bipolar affective disorder is a condition marked by extreme mood changes that has two main stages, a manic stage and a depression stage. It is a form of a mental illness. As you can see in these two images right here, this is a picture of a person who is extremely sad and extremely happy. So a person with bipolar basically has these two sides of them. So a side that's extremely happy, which is the manic stage, and extremely sad, which is depression stage. So a person affected by this disorder has a manic or a depression stage at least once in their lifetime. This illness is affecting more than 6 million people around the United States alone. So, as you can see in this chart right here, right in the middle is the normal, when they're normal, and they can either go severe mania or severe depression. Mood disorders such as bipolar are affecting people of all ages, as seen in the graph below. So as you can see, the blue line, graph is the females, and the red is the males. And in each age group, females are affected more with bipolar. And especially in the age groups of 45 to 54, there's about 11% of the population of women affected by this. The manic stage. In this stage, a person is feeling extremely energetic, creative, and full of life. They have moments of feeling supreme, and they have inflated self-esteem and not feeling tired after a long day. And they usually let other people down. And in this stage, the person is usually feeling like they're on cloud nine. So after a while, the person in the manic stage might get out of control and do things they might not normally do. For example, gamble away all their savings and not thinking about the consequences. In this graph right here, the middle line is showing a normal person, and the person can either drop right down to depression and then go right up to manic, or they can go from manic right down to depression. In the depression stage, this is a stage of bipolar when the person is the complete opposite of what they were acting in the manic stage. In this stage, the person has crashed after manic most of the time, not always. They feel in a depressed gloomy mood. They have low self-esteem, low energy levels, guilt, oversleeping, and suicidal thoughts. The depression stage is usually more harmful and scarier than the manic stage, since the person has suicidal thoughts and they have extremely low self-esteem. Like in the manic stage, they had really, really high self-esteem. So now next is major depression. Major depression is a medical illness that causes regular feelings of sadness, guilt, and grief. It is a constant sense of hopelessness and despair. And in this picture, you can see this man. He has dark circles, his skin is pale, and he keeps looking down, and that shows his low self-esteem in himself. And the difference between major depression and depression stage in bipolar is that during major depression, a person is in a constant mood of sadness, guilt, and grief, whereas in the depression stage of bipolar, a person is in that stage of helplessness and sadness for some time. So once again, in depression, major depression, a person is in that feeling of sadness and grief constantly, whereas in the bipolar stage, the person is in that stage for a while.